Combat Vehicle 90, CV-90, is an armored vehicle originally developed for the Swedish Army by FMV, Hägglunds and Bofors, and currently in production by BAE Systems. The CV-90 and its variants are in service with the Danish, Finnish, Norwegian, Dutch, Swedish and Swiss armies. The CV-90 is integrated with a 40mm Bofors or 30mm Bushmaster or 35mm/50 Bushmaster automatic gun as the main weapon. The gun station is remote controlled and is equipped with a 7.62mm machine gun and a 40mm automatic grenade launcher. The CV-90 protected its 10-person crew from IEDs, anti-tank mines and rocket-propelled grenades. Durability can be increased further with the installation of a Defensive Aid Suite, DAS, and infrared and radar detection reduction systems. Powered by a Scania V8 diesel engine, the CV-90 is capable of driving 70 km/h and a range of 900 km.